Let's see. Ticket, toothbrush, teapot, teacup, 10 tea bags, tip-top. I'm ready for the trip.
I love holidays. They're so relaxing.
Are we nearly there yet?
No, Anne. We haven't even left.
Ready to raise anchor, shipmates?
I am. Is anyone missing?
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, take cover!
I do wish you wouldn't do that, eh? It's not funny. Hey! That was painful.
Right, time to hit the road.
Transport? I forgot to arrange transport.
Are we nearly there yet?
No.
Not to worry. We'll just have to make something.
Rail. A railway.
Tremendous tracks. We'll be on the trail in no time.
Is the train late?
According to the timetable, it won't be here for another 2 hours, 12 minutes and 22 tedious seconds.
We can't wait that long. We'll have to try again.
Rain.
Rain? What a pain.
Are we nearly there yet?
No.
Rain. Rain? Try this.
Train!
At last!
Ahar! All aboard, shipmates.
Terrific. Now this is the way to travel.
Wait for me!
Tally-ho! We're off on the trip of a lifetime.
Wait!
Whoops. Are we nearly?
No!
I was only asking.
Tell you what, take my seat.
We hoped we'd catch you.
Want to drive?
Choo-choo! All aboard! We're off again.
No! The train has come unstuck! Come back!
Looks like we're not going anywhere. Cheer up. Chances are we can help.
Train! Nice work!
Fabulous. A train. All change. Fantastic. I'm at the front. We're leaving at last.
This is fun!
Fail.
Whoops! No!
The engine has failed.
That's it. This trip is terminated.
You mean the holiday's off? We'll soon sort this out. Sail.
Terrific! Now that is the way to travel.
Set a course for sun, sea and sand.
Tally-ho!
Are we nearly there yet?
Alphablocks! Late. I'm going to be late.
Hello, Elle. What are you doing?
I promised 3 tired letters I would sing them a lullaby when the sun goes down. But look. I can sing. Stop!
Ah, don't Don't be upset,
Hey!
This is different.
I like it. Look, we haven't got time to wait.
What happens if we do this?
Hey!
Snail!
A. This is painfully slow. A. Sail.
Look! Who's this?
Hello. I was just taking some friends for a swim.
Super! You can all come and listen to my lullabies.
A. Nail.
Now we're in trouble. We needed that nail.
Looks like I'm not going to get there after all.
Of course we will. We mustn't fail. What can we do?
The sun is setting. Hey!
Hail.
Let's think of something else. Hey!
Hail. Perfect.
Land!
Hooray!
Look! There they are. Lullaby.
Alphablocks.
Good morning, Alphaland! What a fantastic day! I'm so happy to be alive that I could just burst! E! That feels better! E!
Hello, double E. I just popped in.
E!
Beep.
I've never seen one of those.
Puzzling. It's got a big button. I think I'll pop off.
E! It's talking!
Brilliant.
He says his name's Beep. He says he can't see a thing.
Can't see?
E! C! Da-da-da-da-da. E! D- Seed! It's a seed. It can grow into something bigger. E! Of course you can have it.
Fantastic day for flying.
Tip-top day, team, isn't it? What's that beep? You wish you could move around too? E! T- Feet! Be careful, Beep! She's singing! You can sing, Beep. Everyone can sing. These are hands for holding things and feeling things. E. Feel. Beep. Don't be sad, Beep. Please don't be sad. What's the matter, Beep? He says he can't drum. And he can't fly. And he can't sing. And he can't even cry. He says, what can he do? What's he for?
I just popped in.
E. Weep. Beep. You're weeping. You're crying. Look, Beep. Look at the seed. Beep. Look what you did. Beep. You're amazing. You can juggle.
Super!
Tip-top. Yes, Beep. It is a fantastic day.
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make
Anything. Hold my hand.
make a magical land.
When let us get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a